Hello friends, today I am starting a new video and this video is related to Bing. In my previous video I have talked about the chat GPT. Now I am talking about this Bing. Bing is also like chat GPT. He has service. Uh, Whenever you actually inserting your query, you will get the very valuable answer from this Bing. Okay, let me just show you um, how to open screen recorder on my Windows 10. So after raising this query, you can see Bing is automatically typing, showing Bing is typing. This Bing is not human. This Bing is just an AI bot like ChatGPT. Okay, so it's very easy. It's very easy to get the answers after raising the query. You have to raise the proper valid query. After raising the query, you can easily get the answer, maximum solutions for your query. Okay, and let me just show you that another query, how to uh, do VLOOK up on my Excel sheet. Look, again Bing is typing. Okay, so I hope you can understand this part. Okay, this one is very easy. So now you can see VLOOKUP is a functions in Excel that allows you to look up a value in a table and return a corresponding value from another column to use VLOOKUP. Okay, you can get the VLOOKUP process or formula, how to do this VLOOKUP. Okay, VLOOKUP mean virtual lookup. Okay, sorry, not virtual lookup, vertical lookup. I'm extremely sorry. VLOOKUP mean vertical lookup. Okay, the full form is vertical. Now, how can I do uh, edge lookup? Mean horizontal lookup on Excel sheet. Now you can see that how easy it is to you know get the answer properly. How easy it is to get the answer. Okay, so it's very easy to get the answer from Bing, right? Now you can see the length of the height of your answer, the length of your answer is so big, so you can understand that how many resolutions of your query are getting from the Bing. Okay, this is very easy. So let me just ask something different. Okay, let me just ask that Bing, who are you? Who are you? Okay, you can see being this is actually answering, I'm a machine, not a human, but using AI I can chat with you. I'm here to help you find answers, create content, provide summaries on a variety of topics and more. Keep in mind that I sometimes mess up. Use your own judgment and double check the facts before making decisions or taking action based on my answers. So you can check that this is actually giving us the best answers. I mean, maybe she can mess up the things. See, because she's not human, so we have to understand the answers properly. We have to understand the answer properly, okay, before making any judgment or process anything. Okay, so this one is very easy and easy to use for not for ChatGPT, for Bing. I think both are competitively so good for us to make a quick start or quick completions of work. Because I'm software engineer, so I have lots of query regarding the software. Okay, I'm a front-end UI developer, so I'm working on React.js, and I always made queries over React.js. So let me ask something from Bing about the React.js. Okay, so hi Bing, could you look? I'm Bing. Could you help me to understand about use state in React.js? Now, check the answer. What she's actually typing, what she's actually replying about my query. Okay, wait and watch. That's very interesting, right? Whatever the answer I need, whatever the solutions I need, get it from the Bing. So it's really very nice. Now you can see useState is a React hook that lets you add a state variable, okay, variable to your functional component. State variables. Uh, Variables are values that can, okay, values that can change over time and affect the behavior of or appearance of your component. For example, you can use a state variable to store the user's input, the current theme, the content value, etc. To use state, you need to import in from React like this. Okay, yes, absolutely right. We need to import React use state from React. Okay, so now let's check out the next answer. Then you can call use state inside your component and pass an initial value for your state variable. Use state will return an array with two elements, the current state value and a function to update it. You can use array restructuring to assign names to these elements like this, mean below mentioned code. Okay, so how easy it is, how easy it is to learn new things. If you want to learn React.js, you can learn it very easily with the help of Bing. But yeah, that should be basic, and you cannot learn the things, but you can get more answers as per your requirement. That's the thing. And yes, but if I want to ask something differently, I mean, ChatGPT is quite efficiently provide us the you know the code related examples. Okay, let me ask Bing if she can share some examples over use state. Okay, Bing, can you help me to share some example over use state in React.js? Now let's see what is actually its answer. But now you can see The Bing has already given the WC schools the most popular websites to learn new things. Okay, but how you can see the code example here. So we are also getting the code example from Bing. So how easy it is to understand the code, and also giving proper definitions of each and every functions, right? Even you can get the HTML tags, the full component. This is called the full component details. Okay, so it's very easy to understand, and here it's really great to learn. Okay, now you can see for more informations and examples of how to use useState in React, you can check out the links React useState hooks from W3 schools, right? UseState from React. What is the useState in React from Java different? So seriously, it's really helpful. It's really helpful for us, for the people who are actually seeking for tutorial, right? So I think, friends, it's a very helpful video. I think I have made a very helpful video for you. So whoever are using Skype, join the connect with the Being. Being is very helpful for you. I think most of the offices, most of the companies are actually using Skype. So this Skype can help you to learn. This Skype with the Bing can help you to learn the new things, give you the proper solutions for your query, and that's definitely gonna teach you about the new software and development. Okay, whoever are checking my video, whoever are actually seeing my video, so please subscribe my channel and watch my content. Maybe next time I'll give you the bigger and better ideas about the softwares, and I could help you to learn new things. Okay, thank you, thanks a lot, friends. Good day, bye bye.